everyone, it's Mrs. Talpas and Carter. What we are going to do today is we're going to do a farm activity where we have to look at numbers and we have to count scoops of farm animal food for our different animals that we have up here. So let's look at our first animal. What animal do you think that is? What animal is that?
Cow.
A cow. Do I have a cow right beside me here? Oh, yes, it's my friend, the cow. Is it a real cow?
No, it's a blow-up cow.
No, it's a blow-up cow. But we will be having some special videos from our friend Vivian later this week to talk all about different cows because she has these cows, not the blow-up kind, at her house. Okay? Then our next one is
a goat.
No, not a goat.
A sheep.
A sheep. And on Friday, we're going to do a special activity where we're going to pretend to shear a sheep. And shearing a sheep is when they have all of that fluffy wool on their bodies, and then in the summer they shear it off with these clippers, kind of like they're getting a haircut. We're going to do something like that on Friday, so just wait. And then our last animal.
The horse.
It's a horse. And do we have a horse right here? We do. It's another blow-up one, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And then inside our red barn, we have cards that have different numbers on them, and it tells us which animal we need to feed. All right? So I'm going to have you go first. Get your hand in the barn. And pull out a card. Got it? Oh, what animal is it?
A horse.
All right. So he got the horse, and down here is how many scoops that he needs to feed the horse. So tell Mom and Dad real quick, what number do you see that we have to feed the horse?
4.
We need to do 4 scoops. Now what we are using as our farm animal feed is my morning oatmeal. So we are going to pretend that this is our animal feed and this is our scoop. He will need to do how many scoops? 4 for which animal? For the horse, okay? Make sure when you're counting, you're doing it out loud so we can hear you.
1.
Awesome. 2. It's no fun unless you get a little messy. Remember, this is the number that he's going for right here.
3.
It's a big scoop.
4.
4. So are you all done?
Yeah.
You're all done. All right. My turn. Let's see. I'm just teasing. Friends, what animal did I get? It is a cow. And what sound does a cow make?
Moo.
Moo. Now look down here at how many scoops I need. Is it number 9?
No.
What number is it?
6.
Number 6. Good job. All right, so I'm going to find the cow right here. Oh my goodness, I need 6. So 1, 2. My cow's getting close to me. 3, 4, 5.
6.
One more. 6. Oh my goodness. He's almost full. All right. Are you ready to pick another one? Pull it out. What's in there?
It's a goat.
Oh, now look again. What was that one? It has the wool.
Sheep.
A sheep. So Carter has the sheep. Now, what does the sheep sound like?
Bear.
Bah. You're right. And what number does he have to scoop? What number is it?
7.
Number 7.
I'm counting something.
Hold on. Let's count with our sheep. 7 scoops. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. No, not super full. He might get a bellyache if he has that many. 1. 2. 3. I don't hear you counting. I bet our friends at home are.
4.
There you go.
5.
Oh my goodness. How many more?
2 more.
Wait, 5.
6.
6. Oh, that. He's so full. Maybe I should have picked bigger cups. What do you think?
Yeah. 11.
Oh, goodness.
I don't do that.
That's a lot, isn't it? All right. So this is kind of an activity that you guys could do at home, whether you have maybe oatmeal or maybe you have a big box of cereal, or we were playing just outside in sand. Maybe you could do certain numbers and do scoops of sand into something so that you can practice your counting. Let's go over one more time the animals that we had to feed. We had the cow, moo. We'll be learning more about the cow once a little bit later this week from Vivian. And then we have the horse, and I have my horse here. And then we cannot see the poor little the lamb. Is that what you call a baby sheep? Yeah, it's a lamb. The sheep, we can't see it. But on Friday, we're gonna pretend to shear a sheep using shaving cream. So that's gonna be really fun. All right, see you later, guys.
See you later.
All right, can you turn it off?